Hey everyone, today's adventure takes us into the intricate world of optimizing your Windows 10 system for the most immersive and high-octane gaming experiences of 2023 Part 2. Get ready to embark on this journey with us because in this episode, we are not just looking for decent performance. We are seeking to elevate your gaming endeavors to a whole new level of excellence. Fine-tuning Windows Defender via Task Scheduler. Windows Defender, while an essential security feature, can sometimes be overzealous, impacting system performance, especially during gaming sessions. But fear not, by utilizing Task Scheduler, we can tweak its settings to ensure it operates harmoniously with your gaming moments. Here is a step-by-step guide to configuring Windows Defender Task. Begin by opening Task Scheduler. You can do this by searching for it into Windows search bar or using the Run dialog box, Windows key plus R, and typing task schd.msc. Within the Task Scheduler, navigate to the Task Scheduler library. Microsoft, Windows, Windows Defender. You will find several tasks listed here related to Windows Defender operations. We will focus on tasks like Windows Defender Cache Maintenance, Windows Defender Cleanup, and Windows Defender Scheduled Scan. Double-click on each task to access its properties. Within the Conditions tab, tick the box for Start the task only if the computer is idle, and ensure the option Stop if the computer ceases to be idle is checked. This ensures that this task only run when your system is idle, preventing any interference during your gaming sessions. Apply these condition changes to other Windows Defender tasks listed in Task Scheduler that may impact system performance during gameplay. By configuring Windows Defender tasks to execute during idle times, you create a more gaming-friendly environment. This prevents Windows Defender from conducting resource-intensive operations while you are actively gaming, reducing the chances of interruptions or performance hits. Remember, while optimizing Windows Defender tasks, you are not compromising on security. Real-time scans will still operate during file downloads to ensure your system's safety, but scheduled scans and maintenance tasks will now wait for opportune idle moments. This simple yet effective adjustment allows you to strike a balance between robust security and an uninterrupted gaming experience. Streamlining system resources. It is not just about what you enable, but sometimes about what you disable. We are going beyond the surface, strategically shutting down unnecessary background tasks and services that do little for your gaming experience. This is not just about freeing up resources. It is about creating a seamless, interruption-free environment for your gaming sessions. The arsenal of gaming apps. Of course, we all know about the primary gaming platforms like Steam or the Epic Store, essential for accessing your favorite titles. But beyond this, installing a trio of powerful applications, Afterburner, NV Clean Install, and Heaven Benchmark is key to elevating your gaming setup to the next level. Afterburner. This isn't just a program. It is a gateway to unlocking your GPU's potential. Afterburner offers a playground for tweaking GPU settings, from clock speeds to power limits. Its ability to customize and optimize your graphics card's performance is a game changer, quite literally. NV Clean Install. Simplifying GPU driver installations may seem trivial, but it is crucial. Ensuring you have the correct updated drivers for your graphics card is fundamental to harnessing its full power. NV Clean Install streamlines this process, making driver installation smoother and more efficient. Heaven Benchmark. It is not just another benchmark tool. It is a stress tester for system stability. Heaven Benchmark isn't just about assessing performance. It is about pushing your system to its limits, ensuring it can handle the demands of the most graphically intense games. These applications are your allies in the quest for gaming excellence. Afterburner hands you the reins to fine-tune your GPU. NV Clean Install ensures your drivers are optimized, and Heaven Benchmark helps stress test your system, ensuring it is primed for top-tier gaming experiences. Absolutely. Let us delve deeper into the art of GPU overclocking, a technique that can significantly boost your gaming performance when done correctly. Buckle up as we navigate the waters of MSI Afterburner and Heaven Benchmark to unlock your GPU's full potential. Mastering GPU overclocking. MSI Afterburner's role, it is not just a tool, it is your gateway to GPU optimization. MSI Afterburner is a user-friendly platform that allows you to finely tweak your GPU settings, from core and memory clocks to power limits and more. Think of it as your canvas for elevating your graphics card's performance. The Heaven Benchmark. This isn't your ordinary benchmark tool. It is your companion in the overclocking journey. Heaven Benchmark serves as a stress tester, pushing your GPU to its limits, revealing how far you can go before stability issues arise. Now, the process begins by cautiously increasing your GPU score and memory clocks in MSI Afterburner. Small, incremental changes are key here. Rushing the process can lead to instability or crashes. Start by upping the core clock by a modest amount, such as 50 to 100 MHz, and then hit apply to test its stability. As you incrementally raise the clock speeds, keep a watchful eye on Heaven Benchmark running in the background. Look out for any visual anomalies like artifacts, screen flickering, or system freezes. If everything runs smoothly without any issues, you are on the right track. Memory clock tweaks. Once you have found a stable core clock, repeat the process with the memory clock. Incrementally increase it while closely monitoring Heaven Benchmark for any signs of instability. Finding the optimal memory clock might take some trial and error, but patience pays off. Testing and fine-tuning. It is not just about finding the highest clock speeds, it is about finding the perfect balance between performance and stability. Games might react differently to overclocking, so testing various titles after each adjustment is crucial. Some games might handle higher clock speeds better than others. Remember, overclocking can increase performance, but it can also generate more heat and strain on your GPU. Keeping an eye on temperatures and ensuring they remain with safe limits is essential to safeguard your hardware's longevity. Risk and reward of overclocking. Let us talk about risk assessment. Overclocking indeed brings a performance boost, but it is akin to walking a tightrope. Pushing your hardware beyond its stock settings can generate additional heat, possibly leading to instability or hardware wear. That is why meticulous monitoring and testing are imperative. Diverse game compatibility. Each game you play is like a unique ecosystem for your GPU. Some games might handle overclock settings beautifully, delivering enhanced performance without a hitch. However, others might react adversely, leading to crashes or visual glitches. That is why thorough testing across various game titles is essential. The art of balance. It is not just about achieving the highest clock speeds, it is about finding the sweet spot where performance gains meet stability. Your GPU might exhibit varying behaviors with different clock speeds, and identifying that optimal setting takes patience, experimentation, and meticulous observation. The crucial monitoring factor. Monitoring your system's health during overclocking is non-negotiable. Keeping tabs on temperatures, voltages, and stability using monitoring tools ensures that your hardware isn't running into overheating issues or struggling to maintain stability. Optimization beyond overclocking. While overclocking is a potent tool, optimizing Windows 10 for gaming isn't solely reliant on this technique. It involves a holistic approach, including fine-tuning system settings, disabling unnecessary services, and optimizing power settings. It is a symphony where every adjustment plays a role in refining your gaming experience. Remember, achieving the perfect optimization for gaming isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It is an ongoing process of tweaking, testing, and adapting to suit your specific hardware and gaming preferences. By understanding the delicate interplay between overclocking, stability, and game compatibility, you are better equipped to unlock the true potential of your gaming rig while minimizing risk. Furthermore, if you found this video informative and crave more additional insights, we encourage you to consider becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel running and enables us to continue delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear requests of future videos. We're excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thanks for tuning in. See you in our next video.